Hi lovelies, today I'll be showing you how I make this particular hairstyle. It's called the packing gel hairstyle or ponytail hairstyle. So what you do, you comb your hair very well, make sure it's straight, comb it very well, then you tie it with a rope, or if you have rubber band, you can actually use rubber band to tie it up. Tie it not too tight so you won't have headache. Tie it very well. After you have finished tying it, then you make a braid, can matting it, or you make a braid to make the hair firm and tight. Then after that, you bring out your needle, then you sew it very well. Look how I'm doing it there. You sew it very well. You sew it tight, not that tight, so you won't have headache. Like I said earlier, after you have finished tying it, you bring out your weave on, then you can start sewing. After you have finished sewing it, then you can bring out your weave on. Like I said earlier, you can start sewing. You make sure the sewing is tight. Look at it very well. Then you sew it round. You sew it round in circular form. You sew the weave on round. And after that, you're done. And please make sure you're sewing it like this so that it will be very tight. Not that tight, so at least it will be okay. Don't just lose after you have finished sewing it. You should just take your time. Take your time when sewing it. You sew it round. And please, the weave-on that I'm using in this video is called the Afro weave-on. It's from, and I think it's an expression product. Yes, it's called the Afro weave-on. It's like human hair. It's like when you sew it, you look as if you just pack your hair up. So you can try it out, guys. It's very fine. So guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished result. Hope I tried. Hope it's fine. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye. See you on my next video.